I'm Mr. Lamboli, and I will be your life science teacher this year, where we will be talking about a variety of topics, about three major topics to each semester. And I'd like to welcome you to the class, and I do believe we're going to have a great time. I'm going to introduce each of these slides to you and all the topics. Take a look at our little minion friend here, and you'll know exactly what the topic is going to be here for lab safety. Notice the goggles and the protective personal gear that's on the minion. So we're going to spend a couple of days talking about lab safety, and you'll sign the contract as well before we move on. Our first major unit for this semester will be on ecology. We're going to look at why some things are alive and why some things are considered not alive, the relationship between those things, and how the environment works together to support all organisms on Earth. After taking our test on ecology, we'll move on to ecosystems. As you can see, the biomes and ecosystems, probably something you may have touched on in geography class. This will take us another 3 weeks. We'll do a major project in this environment and then have another test. By the time we get to the human body, it will now be the new year. And the human body is what we're going to open up with in January, talking about all the different systems. You'll work in group projects, talking about these systems and then presenting them to the class. Do you have a dog or a cat? Well, did you know that most domestic animals have been genetically selected? Artificial selection, we call that. We're going to learn about that topic in genetics and much more. Stem cell research, GMOs. It'll be a good time. The talk about changes over time is the evolution section of this unit, and this will actually wrap up for the year. This is a really interesting topic that we get to learn about. Charles Darwin, Galapagos Islands, and where we all came from.